In this video, we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to submit your VAT return online using Sage Accounts. If you currently submit your VAT return online by manually entering your figures onto the government gateway, then you could save time by submitting it direct from your account software. We're at the point here where we've reconciled our VAT return and we've got the three options down the right hand side, the middle one being Submit to HMRC. If you thought it was going to be complicated, it's not. Literally, we click Submit Online, the wizard appears showing us an important notice telling us we're about to submit the VAT return to the gateway and the process can't be reversed. We click Continue. It pulls our information through automatically from our company preferences section. I'll accept those defaults and it tries to submit the VAT return. If the gateway is busy, it will wait between 10 and 13 seconds and then it will try the submission again. Obviously, if it's still busy, it will wait and then retry, so it will do that indefinitely. So in this case, the submission has been successful, and if we want to, we can click the little link there to view the submission log. Other than that, that's it done. So we've got a total submission time of 16 seconds. So very quick, very simple. If you've always been put off thinking it's going to be complicated or difficult to set up, it's not. We'll just quickly show you how to do that. So we get back to the main screen, open the settings menu and choose company preferences. You'll be prompted if you've got other windows open that you need to close them. And then in the company preferences window, you click the VAT tab. On the VAT screen, we need to enter your e-submission credentials, so you need to enter your user ID and your password, and obviously confirm your password just to make sure it's right. So those are the details that you use when you log on to the government gateway, and also you need to complete your e-submissions contact details. Other than that, click OK and that's it done. Really simple, really quick, and you're now ready to go. Now that we've set up the VAT return so we can submit it online, we can now make our submission. So we'll go back to the VAT window, and what we'll do is we'll try and submit this one. So this one currently has a status of pending, meaning we haven't submitted it yet. So we just open it, and this might be something that you do immediately after reconciling your return. So this one's already reconciled. Once you do that, you get the three options down the right hand side, so the VAT transfer, submit to HMRC, and your option to record a payment or record a receipt if you can recover an amount. We're interested in this option, submit to HMRC. So if we're ready, we click Submit Online. The Sage Internet Submissions module opens, so we get the important notice telling us we're about to submit the VAT return electronically to the government gateway. It also tells us the process can't be reversed. So do you want to continue? Now that's no different as if you were submitting it manually. You can only do it once. So we click Continue. It pulls through the gateway registration details, so the user ID and password that we've entered within company preferences. Now do remember, if you are using this option, that if you do change your government gateway password, to change it within Sage Accounts, otherwise you won't be able to make your submission because it does need to log into your account. So it pulls through the gateway registration details and also your company details, so it's got my company name in there and also the VAT registration number. I'm ready to submit, so we click Submit at the bottom. It connects to the government gateway, tries the submission. If the gateway is busy, it waits for between 10 and 13 seconds and then it retries that. And that's it done. Very simple, very quick. So total submission time there, 15 seconds. Typically, if you were submitting that manually by logging onto the gateway, that's going to take you somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes to do that normally. You can click the link there as well to print the submission log if you want to. So you get your correlation ID, the date and time of your submission, and also any message specific to yourself for your submission back from HMRC. We can print that if we want to, otherwise we can just click Close. One thing to be aware of is if you've got previous VAT returns that maybe you've manually submitted online. So if we take this one as an example, we can only make one submission. So whether we do that manually or via Sage, you can only do it once, whichever method you choose. So if we've already done this one manually, what we can do is just flag it as having being submitted. So if we just open it, and there's a little checkbox there, mark as submitted. So we just tick the box, click close, and you'll see that one now says submitted. So very simple, very easy to do and set up.